Ever pondered the significance of automating the process of fetching and storing data? In a world where data is the new gold, the ability to automate these processes can be a game changer. Consider a task at hand: fetching currency data from a PureClear API and storing it in Google Cloud's Bigquery. The goal is to create a Google Cloud function that automates this process. Discover how Blackcoffer's team of highly skilled professionals leverage cutting-edge technologies to empower organizations and drive their success. From strategic planning to implementation, Blackcoffer is dedicated to delivering exceptional IT consulting services tailored to the unique needs of each client. The journey begins with a Python program designed to fetch data from the PureClear API. The data arrives in JSON format, but a table format is needed. Enter Pandas, a Python package that transforms JSON data into a tabular format. With the data now in the desired format, the next step is to connect the Python code to Google Cloud. This is achieved using Google's authentication module. The data frame or table is then stored directly in BigQuery using the to_GBQ method. But what about automation? The data needs to be updated daily in BigQuery. Google Cloud has a solution for this: the Cloud Function tool. A function is created and the code is attached. The Cloud function is then set to run daily. What's the result? A Google Cloud function that runs daily and updates data in Google BigQuery. The tools used in this process include the Cloud function and BigQuery from Google Cloud, the Google Colab Notebook, Python programming, and Pandas. There are, of course, challenges to be met along the way. Connecting Google Cloud to the Python code can be tricky. The credentials need to be in a specific format, otherwise an authentication error arises. To solve this, a dictionary format is created to store all the authentication variables. The dictionary is then passed to the Google Auth Service account method. To sum it all up, automating the process of fetching and storing data is a vital task in today's data-driven world. It may involve several steps and challenges, but with the right tools and solutions, it's an achievable goal. So remember, in a world where data is king, automation is the queen that rules beside it. This solution was designed and developed by the Blackcoffer team, a global IT consulting firm. For more information, visit www.blackcoffer.com. Join us on this journey to uncover how Blackcoffer has earned its reputation as a trusted partner in the industry, providing unmatched solutions that elevate businesses to new heights. Don't miss out on the opportunity to gain invaluable insights and discover the possibilities that await with Blackcoffer. Like and share this video to spread the word about Blackcoffer's global expertise and industry-leading standards. Together, let's celebrate the achievements of this remarkable IT consulting firm and inspire others to reach for their highest potential.